Time extended. So,
Yes! So this is Springfield branch. I just got done talking to a guy about how exactly I need to pay for the truck. I'm gonna run to the bank right now, come back here, get it paid, get all the paperwork straightened out, and then can head out to Texas tomorrow. Alright, I got my money order finally figured out. Heading back to IAA, get it all paid for, head out tomorrow, I hope. These guys don't close for another 30 minutes and there ain't nobody around. I was looking for that little bell, you know.
That Mid-Missouri does not. I could have swore I was constantly seeing ones from them, but I guess not.
Yeah, it's a pretty rough shape. Used to be a nice car. A little muddy, eh? Gonna head out to Texas, but first drop this thing off at the dealer for some diagnostics. It's good, let me lower it. Made a spot. So it turns out that my trailer doesn't have running lights. I got Joplin 44 truck stop coming up right here. Gonna see what they have for maybe some kind of red LED lights, just tape them onto the trailer. There's so many lights, but I think this is kind of what I'm looking for here. Magnets, batteries, has a steady on. Get 2 of these, zip tie them to the trailer, and fire them up. Call them good, I think. For what? Oh geez, I don't want to pay that much. These are even more expensive. Let me go look around a little bit. So we're thinking about like taping them onto here somehow, but over here it's a lot better. Good deal. Don't have to listen to those hazards clicking away all night now.
Thank you.
Just enough to catch it.
Have a good one.
You too. Don't work too hard.
Yep.
So I'm a couple miles away from IAA. They open in 2.5 hours or so. Just got some coffee, chilling here at Love's.
You have arrived.
I got a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado, white in color.
Okay, this is what I really wanted to know. What is in the bed? All right, hold on. Oh my goodness. I think this is worst case scenario. I'm missing a block in cylinder heads. No block. Well, that's not good. And I'm assuming that this is parts, nuts and bolts maybe. I really don't know. But that ain't cool. Anyways, we're gonna finish strap and chain and get on out of here. So we just stopped by for some barbecue, taking a moment just to look over all the bits and pieces, seeing what's here and what's not. Look at this. It's a freaking bucket of oil. And that's hardware. That's a piece of exhaust. And that's a, yeah, there's stuff in there too. So this is gonna be an interesting puzzle. So I'm stuck going no more than 55 because the trailer starts to sway pretty bad. So it's gonna be a long, slow drive back home. Nice to be back in town. Man, it's been a rough couple days, to tell you that much. Almost home. 20 more minutes. So I made it back home. All is good. No cops, no tire blowouts, nothing bad. Just gonna drop it right here until the morning. Figure out what to do with it tomorrow. It's on the left, moron.